Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you an in-depth review of the SUVCON M02 Dash Cam, a feature-packed dash camera designed for optimal road safety and recording. If you're looking to buy this dash cam, you may check the link below for more info and the best price available today. This model offers 4K front and 1080p rear recording, built-in Wi-Fi, an IPS screen, and comes with a 32GB SD card. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this dash cam a great addition to your vehicle. Design and build quality. The SUVCON M02 Dash Cam features a sleek and compact design that fits seamlessly on your car's windshield. The build quality is impressive, with a durable casing that protects the internal components. The 3.94-inch IPS screen provides a clear and vivid display, making it easy to navigate through the settings and view recorded footage. The compact size ensures it doesn't obstruct your view while driving, maintaining safety and convenience. Video quality. One of the standout features of the SUVCON M02 is its exceptional video quality. The front camera records in stunning 4K resolution, capturing every detail on the road with crystal clear clarity. The rear camera records in 1080p, providing high-definition footage of the area behind your vehicle. This dual recording setup ensures comprehensive coverage, capturing crucial details from both the front and rear perspectives. Built-in Wi-Fi and app control. The built-in Wi-Fi feature allows you to connect the dash cam to your smartphone via the dedicated app. This app control feature makes it incredibly convenient to download and view footage directly on your phone, without needing to remove the SD card. You can also adjust settings and update the firmware through the app, enhancing the overall user experience. G-sensor and 24H or parking mode. The SUVCON M02 Dash Cam is equipped with a G-sensor, which automatically detects sudden impacts or collisions. In the event of an accident, the dash cam will automatically save and lock the recorded footage, preventing it from being overwritten. The 24-hour parking mode offers additional security by monitoring your vehicle even when it's parked. It automatically starts recording if any movement or impact is detected, providing continuous protection. Wide Dynamic Range, WDR. The WDR technology ensures optimal video quality in various lighting conditions. Whether you're driving in bright sunlight or at night, the dashcam adjusts the exposure to capture clear and balanced footage. This feature is particularly useful for capturing license plates and other important details in challenging lighting scenarios. Loop recording. The loop recording feature ensures continuous recording by overwriting the oldest footage when the SD card is full. This means you don't have to worry about manually deleting old files to make space for new recordings. The included 32GB SD card provides ample storage, but the dashcam also supports larger cards if you need more capacity. User-friendly interface. Navigating through the settings and playback options is straightforward, thanks to the user-friendly interface. The large IPS screen and intuitive menu make it easy to adjust settings, review footage, and manage recordings. The dashcam comes with a detailed user manual, ensuring you can set it up and use it without any hassle. Conclusion. In conclusion, the SUVCON M02 Dash Cam is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's security and capture high-quality footage on the road. Its 4K front and 1080p rear recording, built-in Wi-Fi, G-sensor, and parking mode features make it a comprehensive and reliable dash cam. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, this dash cam offers the peace of mind and protection you need. Thank you for watching this review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. See you in the next video.